Well, I've been listing this Aynsley Cottage Garden for some weeks now, working my way down to the bottom of a quite large box that we purchased, and coming to the conclusion that they put the Cottage Garden transfer design on just about anything that stood still long enough in the Aynsley factory during the late 20th century. This is a novel piece, isn't it? An owl-shaped trinket box with, it's got a lid. There you go. Head comes off. And inside you've got a, well, could store all sorts in there. You'd have a job getting them out because it is quite deep. It could be used as a vase, bizarrely. More appropriate for that than an actual storage case. But little footed vase, barks, whatever you like. It's got the Cottage Garden design on the back. Very fine condition, owl head. A little bit scary, those eyes to me, but you may love this piece. It's nicely decorated. It's got all the elements of Cottage Garden on there, and for collectors of Cottage Garden looking for the bizarre, weird and wonderful rare pieces from the giftware collection that Aynsley produced during the long period of production, then this may be of interest to you. Not to my taste, as you can tell, but there you go. Everyone has to have their own favourites, and Cottage Garden is very, very popular amongst collectors, being a very fine transfer floral design with those beautiful butterflies. Available for sale for not a great deal of money, because I don't love him, on the Vintage and Antiques website here in the UK. Sorry, got to have your fun when you can, can't you? So do follow the link below, and if you love him, buy him. Thanks for watching.